Every second, every minute, man, I swear. Every second, every minute, man, I swear. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see by the title, this is an unboxing video from Hermosa hair. That's how you say it, Hermosa. Don't mind the background. Trying to paint, couldn't paint. Don't mind nothing in the back. Kendra sleep, don't mind nothing in the back. But anyway, if you guys want to see the hair that I purchased, then keep watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, and all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Okay guys, so this is going to be an unboxing video. I ordered a wig because, I don't know, I'm just trying to get my wig collection up. I am a wig maker, but I'm taking a little break on wigs to kind of like revamp my brand. So, you know, I got to try to find a vendor and find some good hair or whatnot. So I just kind of been like looking at, doing research and kind of looking at some new hair, new wigs or whatever. So this hair I think is actually by Hermosa as well. This is just the body wave. I really just wear it crimp. I just cut like some front layers in it or whatever. I think this is like 26-inch body wave, but I've had this wig for a while now and I absolutely love it still. It does shed a little bit, but anyway, we're not talking about this wig. I'm just letting you guys know that I already had a wig before by Hermosa, and I decided to order another wig by Hermosa because I'm trying to, you know, build my wig collection up because I don't really have that many wigs for me to be a wig maker or a person that wear wigs every day. So yeah, I decided to order another wig and here it is. So I've actually had this wig for a while and I actually really need to wear another wig because I'm really kind of tired of this one. So it's been just kind of like sitting, but I decided to go ahead and record this before I go to bed tonight. And let's see what the wig is talking about. So this is like a I think this is like a where to go or whatever they call the new wigs now. It's pre-bleach, pre-cut. It's supposed to be like an 8x5, which I've been wearing a 5x5. That's the only thing I know, a 5x5. But sometimes I be wanting to like transition to the frontal game, but I'm scared because I feel like it's just, you know, I don't know. So they, you know, y'all know they come out with wigs that gives you like more parting space, but it's still a closure. It's not like a frontal. So this wig is actually like a 26-inch wig, 26-inch wig. Is supposed to be pre-plucked. The hairline's supposed to be pre-plucked. It's supposed to be pre-bleach. 8x5, I think. I'll have it linked in the video. But let's see what kind of wig this is. Let's see what it is. Okay. Camera tripping. So as you guys know, it does come with some items. Let's see what they sent. They sent some lashes. I don't really wear these. I just put them in my kit. Love these HD wig caps. I actually have one on now, even though I don't have like a frontal on. And it comes with the Hermosa like lace, band for your lace, to lay your lace. So here is the wig. So excited. So excited. Let's make this quick for my camera. Ooh, this is the deep wave. Ooh, it's so pretty. I love deep wave. That's why I always wear crimps in my body wave wig. Somebody's messaging me because I like deep wave hair, to be honest. And deep wave hair, you don't have to keep like, you know, curling like this because I have to curl this maybe like once or twice a week. But anyway, this is what the hair looks like. This is a lot of space. This is the 8. I think it's the 8x5. Not really sure. This is the texture. It is so fucking pretty, baby. And it is pre-plucked and pre-cut. This is what it looks like underneath. It is I might not have to bleach my knots. I might just throw this on. Let's see. Y'all, it is pre-bleach. Look at that. Baby, ain't no black knots. Oh my God. It doesn't come with any combs in the inside. It just comes with this band. You guys know I love, I put bands on my wigs if they don't come with a band. But babe, I'm already loving this wig. Like, I won't even have to do anything to it, but kind of make the part a little bit more, you know. Oh, but no, but the part looks pretty good. But just kind of flatten it. Oh my God. And then like, y'all, this hair, oh my God. I can't wait to put this on my damn head. Like, look how pretty the curls are. This is more like the black I like to wear, but this is dark enough. This is dark enough black for me because I love black hair now. But oh my God, like I really want to take my wig off and try this on, but I'm not gonna do it. Okay, yeah, that's my second time my camera cut off. Okay, but so far I do like it. This is a lot of space. I'll probably have to wear like a side part if I want to, because I do want to get a wig where I can just like wear more than one part in one wig instead of buying a middle part wig and then turn around and buy a side part wig, because I haven't worn a side part in a minute, but I miss my side part. But I absolutely love this wig. It's not giving me any, well, a few strands, but hey, it's hair, it's gonna shed. And I just absolutely like, definitely gonna hurry up and finish this video, but this is what the wig looks like. I absolutely love it. All of the things about this wig will be listed in the bottom bar. It did come really fast. I ordered July 25th and it came like July 28th. I also used the coupon code that made $189 for a 26-inch. Like, and you get all this space. Is definitely worth it. But my camera is tripping, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little unboxing video, and yeah, I will come back when I got more space and let you guys know how the wig is working out for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Every second, every minute, man, every second, every minute, man, every second.